Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet, you're certainly not alone. The burden of debt can feel overwhelming, but today, we're excited to share with you the absolute easiest and most effective way to get out of debt and regain control of your finances. So, please make sure you stick around until the end because we have some game-changing strategies lined up for you that are going to make a real difference in your life. 1. Understanding debt. Before we dive into the solution, it's crucial to take a moment to understand the beast we're dealing with, debt. Debt can originate from various sources such as credit cards, student loans, medical bills, and more. It accumulates when you spend more than your income allows. One of the key steps to getting out of debt is to stop adding to it. Therefore, the first step is to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Creating a budget will be immensely helpful in gaining clarity on your financial situation and finding ways to improve it. 2. The snowball method. Now that you know where your money is going, let's discuss the easiest method to tackle your debts, the snowball method. This brilliant approach, coined by the financial guru Dave Ramsey, involves listing your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of their interest rates. The idea is to focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once you've cleared the smallest debt, you take that payment and roll it into the next smallest debt, and so on. This creates a snowball effect, gaining momentum as you knock out each debt, which gives you a psychological boost and keeps you motivated throughout your journey to debt freedom. 3. Debt consolidation. Debt consolidation is another powerful tool to simplify your debt repayment journey. It involves taking out a single loan to pay off multiple debts. This way, you'll have one monthly payment to manage instead of juggling several. Debt consolidation can save you money by securing a lower interest rate, ultimately reducing the total amount you'll pay over time. However, it's essential to remain disciplined and stick to your budget during this process to avoid accumulating new debts. 4. Increasing income. While cutting expenses is beneficial, there's a limit to how much you can save. On the other hand, increasing your income has no such bounds. Boosting your income is an equally important aspect of getting out of debt. Look for opportunities to earn extra money, such as freelancing, starting a side business, or taking up a part-time job. Use the additional income to accelerate your debt payoff and achieve financial freedom faster. 5. Negotiating with creditors. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your creditors. Many people don't realize that creditors are often willing to work with you to develop a repayment plan that suits your financial situation. Reach out to them, explain your circumstances honestly, and propose a reasonable payment plan. Sometimes, they might even offer you a reduced settlement amount to clear the debt in one go. 6. Emergency fund. While paying off debt is essential, it's equally crucial to plan for emergencies. Creating an emergency fund acts as a safety net to prevent you from falling back into debt if an unexpected expense arises. Start small by saving a few dollars each week and gradually build it up to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide you with peace of mind during challenging times. 7. Seek professional help. If you find yourself overwhelmed with debt and unsure of how to proceed, seeking professional help is a wise choice. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can offer personalized guidance to help you develop a sustainable debt management plan. They can negotiate with creditors on your behalf and provide valuable insights to ensure you stay on track toward financial freedom. 8. Avoiding common pitfalls. As you work your way towards debt-free living, be aware of common pitfalls that can slow down your progress. Avoid falling back into old spending habits, steer clear of high-interest loans, and resist the urge to accumulate unnecessary debt. Stay disciplined and remind yourself of the freedom that awaits you once you achieve your financial goals. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our comprehensive guide on the easiest way to get out of debt. Remember, getting out of debt is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and commitment. But with the snowball method, debt consolidation, increased income, negotiation, emergency funds, and professional support, you have all the tools you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, we would truly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Share your debt-free success stories or questions in the comments below. We absolutely love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, with determination and the right strategies, you can conquer your debts and build a brighter financial future. Until next time, stay financially savvy and take care. Goodbye.